Hi, I'm Matt Murphy, retired audiologist and founder of Ear Hero, and welcome to Sound Solutions by Ear Hero. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 of the most expensive myths about hearing aids, myths that cause people to waste money, give up too early, or buy the wrong devices entirely. Okay, let's jump in. Myth number 1, hearing aids should work perfectly the moment you put them in. The truth is your brain needs time to relearn how to hear. Most people adjust over 2 to 6 weeks, not 2 to 6 minutes. So if you're new to hearing aids and you feel off, that doesn't mean they're wrong. It means your brain is waking up. Myth number 2, the more expensive the hearing aid, the better it works. Higher price doesn't automatically equal better results. What matters most is proper programming, your type of hearing loss, and whether your device matches the daily lifestyle. I've seen affordable models outperform premium ones simply because they were set up correctly. Okay, myth number 3, you only need one hearing aid. Well, unless you have one perfect ear, using one hearing aid creates an imbalance. 2 ears work as a team for speech clarity, background noise, and localization. Skipping the second hearing aid usually ends up costing more in the long run. Myth number 4, all hearing aids are basically the same. OTC, or over-the-counter, isn't the same as prescription. Basic isn't the same as advanced noise reduction, and a device that works in a quiet living room won't perform the same in restaurants and workplaces. Fit matters, settings matter, your lifestyle matters. Myth number 5, if hearing aids don't work right away, they never will. Most problems are simple adjustments, either too sharp, too soft, background noise too loud, feedback, whistle. All these things are fixable. Most people quit before the device has even been properly dialed in. So give it some time and work with your provider. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.